How to get items on Temu for $0. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So to get items on Temu for $0, first go ahead and open up Temu application, and you might want to create an account for yourself if you don't have yet, and if you have, simply log into your account. And now once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on U option. And from your profile settings, simply select Earn Credit and Free Gifts option right here. And now from here, you can click on Get Now under Free Gifts. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now pick a card right here. There you go. Now you get 5 free gifts each round. That means you get to pick 5 items for $0. So go ahead and choose the items that you like. Click on the Pick button and confirm the gift. Once you're done, click on the Confirm button at the bottom right corner. And now put on your shipping address, including your postal code, zip code, your street name, country, everything. And once you're done, click on the Save at the very bottom and you'll be done. So yeah, that's how you get free items on Temu for $0. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.